Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Reggae Boyz assistant coach John Wall says two main factors, including a lack of composure, contributed to Jamaica relinquishing a 3-0 lead to Dominica in their World Cup qualifying match on Sunday. The Jamaicans held on to win the contest 3-2 to remain perfect from their first two games. But it wasn't the end to the match the Reggae Boyz were looking for against the 180th ranked outfit. Shamar Nicholson in the 30th minute and the 79th minute penalty, and Kaheem Dixon in the 42nd were the scorers for Jamaica. Now the Jamaicans have moved to 6 points, the same as group leaders Guatemala. The Reggae Boyz' next World Cup qualifier will be on June 7, 2025, away to the British Virgin Islands. Their next assignment, however, will be the Copa America tournament starting on June 20 in the USA. Jamaica's Copa America squad will be announced on Wednesday. It now remains to be seen whether five-time Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah will attempt to defend her sprint titles at the Olympic Games in Paris this summer after picking up a suspected injury at the New York Grand Prix on Sunday. Thompson-Herah says she is now seeking professional advice on the way forward after having to be helped off the track following Sunday's 100 meters at the World Continental Tour Gold Level meeting. She clocked 11.48 seconds into a 2.1 meter per second headwind to finish ninth in a race won by Nigeria's Favour Ofili in a season's best 11.18. The two-time sprint double champion posted on Instagram after the race that she felt something uncomfortable as she began to push and still try to go, but it got worse. With the national championships now 2.5 weeks away, Thompson-Herah is now in a race against time to be fit to try to make Jamaica's team to the Games. Thompson-Herah is the second fastest woman in history over 100 meters and the third fastest of all time over 200 meters. She is the only woman to win sprint double titles at consecutive Olympic Games and was aiming to join countryman Usain Bolt as the only person to win sprint double titles at 3 Olympics. St. Mary's Central Academy registered their second victory from as many starts after hammering up Bamboo Tree 5-1 in the St. Mary's Security Major League. Demaria Kamak, Daniel Edwards, Wayne Gordon, Davian Minot and Javed Duncan were on target for the Donovan Duki coached team. Meanwhile, former champions Albion Mountain, with goals from Zidane James in the 43rd and Dwayne Hamilton in the 46th minute, had a come-from-behind 2-1 win over Highgate. Malik Mighty had given Highgate a 23rd minute lead. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report and concludes our Midday News Package. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.